Hi, this evening I'm going to show you a little bit about the telehealth module for those who are interested. Okay, the telehealth module, in order to start a visit, you would start a visit within an hour of the scheduled visit time. Right now it is 5:41 p.m. my time, so we have, oh no. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule an appointment here, which would be 17:45. And I'm going to go ahead and pick our patient, which is Bernie Mac. Okay, so search my name, and I'm going to go ahead and schedule an established visit, and I'm going to leave Mac as the provider for this one. Go ahead and save it. It's going to ask me, you want, I'm going to call it yes because my calendar isn't set up properly. And now once I have it on my calendar, you can see that it is blue. If it was out of time frame, it would be black. And so I can go ahead and start my telehealth visit by jumping into the patient's chart like this. And then I'm going to go ahead, as you can see, I had one earlier today. I'm going to go ahead and jump into this one here that I have scheduled for 17:45, which is there. And I get my little telehealth visit button that I get here. And so I'm going to go ahead and launch my session. It's going to create an encounter if there wasn't already one that exists. And I'm going to tell it OK. And try again. And so let's do that one more again. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to tell it yes. And now my thing comes up and my video comes up. Sorry, a little glitch there, but it did go through. And so now I'm waiting on the patient to show up. And if I tell it to go ahead and join the session, here's what's going to happen. Let's pretend the patient has shown up, and I'm going to tell it to go ahead and join the session. Now you see the little what's the thing called down? The plus sign down here. I can, once the patient joins the session, then I can minimize this out of the way. If you notice, it's down here in the left-hand corner. If the patient was online with me, I would see the patient down here in the left-hand corner, but also I could move this around once the patient joins me. As you can see, I can move it around my screen wherever I need it to go to be out of my way, so that I can go ahead and continue to do my documentation while I'm visiting with the patient. I can go ahead and start my soap note and talk to the patient at the same time. If I wanted to move this somewhere else on my screen, I could. Okay, but there we go. Grab it and drag it over here, or drag it down here. So I can have the video anywhere I want. I can also bring it back full screen. So it gives me some flexibility as to how the video is on my screen once the patient does join the session. Alright, thanks for watching.